Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download Hamster Kombat. So basically Hamster Kombat is a bot and how you can download. So first you need to download Telegram, and once you download Telegram you need to search for Hamster Kombat. Okay, here it is, select it, and once it is selected you simply need to click on play, and then you can easily access the bot like this. I already downloaded that, so here you can see that it is now loading. Okay, so let me take the coins. So here you can see that this is Hamster Combat. You need to click here to earn the coins. So this is the process how you can download Hamster Combat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.